Twisted pair cabling involves twisting two insulated copper wires together in a helical pattern. This configuration is permitted within electrical codes and serves a specific purpose to reduce electromagnetic interference, or EMI. The twisting action cancels out the magnetic fields produced by each wire. Electromagnetic interference can disrupt signal transmission, especially in data and telecommunications. By twisting the wires, the induced currents from external sources tend to cancel each other out, minimizing the effect of interference on the signal. Twisted pair cabling finds applications in various fields. Firstly, it is commonly used for data and telecommunications, such as Ethernet networks and telephone lines. Secondly, it can also be employed in certain audio applications, including speaker cables. The number of twists per inch, or TPI, is an important factor in determining the effectiveness of the cable in reducing EMI. A higher TPI generally provides better noise cancellation. However, the optimal TPI will depend on the specific application and the level of interference present in the environment. For most general applications, a TPI of 2 to 3 is often sufficient. To create a twisted pair cable, firstly, take two insulated conductors. Secondly, twist them together in a helical pattern. Thirdly, maintain a consistent TPI throughout the length of the cable. Once the conductors are twisted, you can insulate them using electrical tape or heat shrink tubing. Insulation helps to protect the conductors from physical damage and electrical shorts.